The establishment of the Gold Board as a regulator and also an operator is in a way directly encouraging galamsey activities. Our water bodies are being polluted. In fact, organized labor last year sounded an alarm and indicated that the galamsey activities have worsened. This government has failed to provide tangible evidence of its commitment in the fight against galamsey. It is clear that they are always involved in a PR gimmick, looking at the optics rather than the substance. They are interested in short-term gains, and today we don't know whether the Gold Board makes a distinction between regularly mined gold or an illicit gold. All we know is that they are talking about their success story, the amount of gold or the tons of gold they have purchased. Yet they fail to tell us whether or not there are measures to fight against illicit gold that are mined through galamsey activities. We are concerned because the future of this country is at stake, and the earlier this government took steps to protect the future of Ghana, the better. On the Metro Mass issue, we are going to call on the Minister of Transport when Parliament resumes to answer questions regarding why they sat down for a whole year without putting in place measures to beef up the fleet levels. It again exposes the minister's lack of clear vision for the transport sector. But would bid our time, put together a paper by the appropriate committee of the caucus, and hold the minister's feet to the fire when Parliament resumes. So bear with us. We want to do the right thing. Thank you very much. So since May 2023, Ghana has had a 3 billion from Ghana's IMF program, which in turn has unlocked light debt relief and financing. For example, in mid-2025, Ghana's parliament approved a 2.8 billion restructuring deal with 25 official creditors, including China, France, the US, UK, and others. Under this agreement, all debt payments due through 2026 were rescheduled, effectively granting Ghana 2.8 billion in debt service relief it could play with in the budget. So once again, Ghana's economic fortune so far is tied to the IMF program and the windfall, not necessarily due to any re-engineering of the economy. The NDC is busy talking about us. What they've also forgotten is that they also have a leadership contest awaiting them. And do also obi fieshe. Omo de npo de kankan kra. Sezi a obe hu no ase edun katia ose oko thank you to. Meanwhile no campaign. De aye hu ni say esa aban e won your own preferred candidate Jubilee House for so mo candidate o obedi flag bearer amomo na party no so one candidate nti enche bi ebedu omo so but the pese can say MPP there nyame ya adomo after 31st yan ye wo parliament ya wi taso say kwen bia so no ye de ba ko ye enka bom e betai ni obewini n'echi na ye nyina ya boa e ma party na akone kan nti no NDC for mundwe omo no mudi omo fi asem yan hwe kra na ebia by mid this year Omampei Mahama eba be lame duck president because obia pay to me wo hwe omo a vice president also onu so bedi president and then I'm saying yet say onu afa haruna idrusa ya no running mate yet ya ne say chief of staff Julius Debra onu so nam ne kwan onu so be president edi onu so o say ne running mate any fifi kwete yet a majority leader ono so onam ne baby onini ablakwa omuso yo mu permutation yenua finance minister ono so omose obedi president ono so prepare no running mate inti ade no atasa obebia. We have seen that my Lord Bafuboni and his management are all over at the various ministries, including Jubilee. Is he on a thank you tour? Is my Lord Bafuboni on a thank you tour, thanking the government for appointing him as a Chief Justice? And we hear today he is coming to Parliament. We, the minority, don't see him as a tolerant head of the judiciary, because members of the minority came under attack when we criticized the processes leading to his nomination. We will therefore not be part of his thank you tour. If he wants to engage us, our offices are open. He should come and engage us, and we'll let him know things that we find wrong.
Kojo?
Oh my God.
And I chance best at him.
One now the man and now the mammy.
Moga. Afenyo Markin adwuma yɛ den.
Adwuma yɛ den.
Ayɛ den. Enti no ato no ne akeka.
Atasa nafsi.
Ono no ka atasa. Na afenyo ni awayi atasa be na esiniwe. Who ka NDC asem no wa the NDC asem ko ka Chief Justice asem enya atasa na who bibi ka 1 year NDC adi 1 year in office meboa no ND January 7th 2026 from that time be seen when to me and ka ho hwe and no na akoye press conference say obeka ho asem. Now, according to Afenyo Markin, or sign, or see gains, no dollar na aye abaform no ama city na aye stable no. Aye IMF policies. Now, who Ghana IMF policies, it has nothing to do with a buy more than more. You miss a Afenyo say 8 years under Akufo Addo and Bawumia. MPP omoko IMF and omanko IMF. Say omoko IMF I then the fee mu buy. Why say in discipline. E kawulu bo. Eni adidija. To say senior Professor Michael Kwe report on Akano. Eno agwaso hantan akakabinsem nipa yemu ena ye MPP ni aye se nipa se no kre ni min kan kre because se me kasa se me opposition party enti no kre wo hompo a ompese wo beka. That is not the MPP. When MPP suban ena Afenyo Markin eda na di no MPP suban se bia eye obeka se we die eye ma ha die enye sana ye no ena ye politics ye ka ze ye politics intino o sorry na the government in power and the opposition party eye bibi papa na se wo bona baso a o se min bona baso enkane tete no na GBC pe na ye radio na newspapers ye ba ku miinu no sa bre na obetimi aye sa ade we bi abagimi bre no na obetimi aye sa politics Afenyo Markin ye ne nebre 21st century ene before graphic be report before newspapers di beba before radio stations the kwabeko kokano na TikTokers edin samene nam na influencers enam Twitter now must say X, Instagram, and amount for anything. You cannot deceive anybody. Abraye wumi that they bet me waji to me. I feel a party in government. Eye wanukreka. Your honesty. You see, the MPP has not learned anything yet from the 2024 defeat. Because there is arrogance of power. Ebinye. Afenyo Markin Ghana for UMF. And now we see minority seat no. Won't na so. No about dark. So you will not sit on it. Even after say speaker ruling 1 penny so. Sa nneema na ehye Ghana for bufu. And the Ghana ni bia nim say under MPP dollar no koya could do 17 cedis. Mewa per cedi $1 na odi 17 cedis and editor dollar. Ghana ni bia nim say petrol NDC fiso na dollar na yes na 4.8 no say 3 point me say na 4 cedis. I mean 4 cedis NDC fiso in 2012 2016 MPP take over na dollar no wo 4 cedis sa breno Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ni MPP including Afenyo Markin na mo say John Mama ye incompetent mama of $1 no $1 to 1 cedi 20 pesos e dia 4 cedis into no or ye incompetent ye 20 ano competent Akufo Addo any Bawumia buyer no and no tam dollar no from 4 cedis and the cost 17 cedis and na some near can and who asem near can na petrol a whole gallon ufa petrol gallon 4.5 liters 4.5 liters na 14 cedis and na me ni wo kasej Akufo Addo fiso na a liter of diesel there you say there 16 cedis a liter of petrol then now 17 cedis ukabomwa you say and NDC abanya bay under for 1 year liter of petrol above for my bedroom a bit on 9.797 a bit on 10.5. What I said, that is how cheap it has become. And Ghana Nibia did to 1 year away, edit to 2 MPP 8 years. Send your name Kona, or baby son, and was and I said, Afenyo Markin some will kind of subby. Sit Nansen him. See, say, Kwasiao Nimishim, Bonanya Dokuna, a twash, here's an etty. And now me new can say, Obia or $2 the dollar your business. No first no okope dollar so ope 17 cedis and what matter $1 and same dollar no o design e kwakoto $1 11 cedis we anya no 12 cedis for the purposes of argument 12 ni 17 and say into bibia o di dollar ye adwuma o be ka chere say dollar na ya emefa obesiro obe hu se sabi wadwumu no Behu se ebia se nye dama na ebia ade awo no na no odin I say se ade awo no na no nye din se nsu awo no na no nye din on kasa si so I say enema amanfo fans o mu nipa be kasa no ebia no odin Afenyo Markin dewi eze ye start se be hwe no nsu awo no no because na kasa nkoye kasa penin kasa sa was IMF muna mudi MD ashim mewa muna mu ya IMF no we no beto so do mo to aso enti mu ye ni say na mu di aba mu ye the month na ma prices na nkofom
no ni asem
first no ye come bomb pe mo say Russia Ukraine me ni wu kasa mu gabi Russia Ukraine ko afa na ayo serious o afa na Putin to grenade akese egu Ukraine Venezuela de no ho Iran de aba regard o nyina e koso still sani etie na netie and this year for inflation from 23.8 edi aba abedu 5.4 o se wabo modern sini no anase nia wo ye no enama we ever I don't get it. It makes no sense. Ravi, exchange rate appreciated by 41%. And now someone here can. It's in over 30 years. The economists in over 30 years. Yeah, see the appreciate say that.
For the past 30 years.
For the past 30 years. But it has gone to this level, 41% appreciation. So we never before, Gabi, you cannot speak against this one. The first that we opposition interest say, ni aben ye bia necessary we criticize it. And yes, I net here.
Also criticize.
And until now, Honorable Patrick Yabuama, Eko say MPP here communication consultant. Now on how to communicate. Gabi, politics is about communication. And you can't be fast worker wasem. Ene beto bi akoma so ene beto bi tim na wabedi wati sa kasa bum we na 1-2 ye koye press conference we emwa party no wa say emwa party no emma party no nya akono na mom ebo na wagye atum wo be ye press conference ena mo ba ban abaso sampa mo ba yi mo ya ade sidi motima ama na appreciate dollar ma na ba form fuel prices are easy na mom wabi ha ni ha mun hwe na mun tutu ni yi a obi a otiefia otie obi a hu se wo ye nyansani nyansa wo wutim opega na yi wo ye badwuma
Fantastic.
but why nyansa that you still want to bask in the credit of another person me wa almost shasi and this is baba shasi I didn't call for my muzi da bio yen kra nemanti bibwa sana mo kan ye mo se na yen tua contractors yen kra nemanti na ama dollar no agina babia na agina na se ekofo sa ban sha se si o tua contractors pe bibia bedwuregu bibwa abanya be tua contractors dollar no formal na eko aban kra nema obi ye na adwuma yefo ayi abozo kan fo kra nema ba port kwa de se matise ayama aburu so port na ye empty no ene okwa aburu so
Matete niema so
to say enema buo ta manfo mbo breast no mbe ya clear mo nema because obi hu ba bi no dinene asi. That is the situation. Meanwhile, under NPP, na manfo do mo nema fa Burkina Nigeria enu nema fa your friend Togo omuko yi enema no Togo no mu dia faka ababoso kan. That was the situation. We are someone here can. Gabi, taxi driver na na auto fuel say 14 cedis per liter no multiply by 4 na number 88
and then
9 or no share na sitting under MPP no the better to enea. That is the question see answer. You share the life under MPP say na ne to petrol ni yemfanto tune yenhwe said na ye $2 ni yemfanto tune yenhwe said to iron rod cement ni nasifo ni yemfanto tune ni yenhwe ufin kai kokumase na lorry fare na ye 150
say 120
na number 120. That is how you measure. So you don't just come stand and talk cut data so we can one for data biama ube jina wana who can your very day illegal mining galamsey asemi nanka fedo Markin chest ye fear no na the turbidity level of your water bodies river cobra there you say ofi na you say we na you say yeah ene ye ba ya ye ni ba bedin komwe say na ase ya kudu. Then you are speaking as a member of parliament as a leader of a caucus. Sa propaganda aya o ye performatives. Oh, yama man for kase wo ye bibi. Meanwhile, you are not doing anything. This we call it performatives. And all you know. This is what Afenyo Markin has been doing for the media Juma National Service. Say on demonstration na say be press conference who you say and obey. And look at the people behind him. Anka MPP power opposition, MPP, New Patriotic Party, JH Men's Animal Party. Look at the people leading the party in parliament. Rebels. Now, Osahene here.
Who are the rebels?
Who is Osahene? A bravo leader. And they Osahene. Wow. Oko parliament so mun recording the day Osahene no. And good record to mu. Or you are bravo leader. You do a bravo leader the parliament any. Bakuno of P ayi. Ahmed there no. And no many people go now parliament no. No nka bi. Bakuno di echi no ai tetia no. Habib. Go and look at the videos in parliament. And to question parliament now we no a and to go in to
Mune nimko.
Nimko. Vandals in parliament. Rebels. And Patrick Aboma wo ho. Look at the people in parliament. MP before Kwado Pong Krumanomo. Look at them. Nice people they appeal or make me appeal to the public sensitivity no. Ya chow mogu sano ya chow mogu. And ya kofa chobo for. Nya chobo for no moko form wa Ahmed we Mugabi. Ahmed no call parliament you. Omu to abe yiri yen swear in cry and MPP didn't to parliament say or your chief whip. Or your deputies no. Another pen no man who no ha. Another pen could deny Abrikuma North. Catch on some don't make cool parliament. Where? At to draw for. So they will not do politics of ideas.
Hooliganism.
Say ye assemble to na yache no munaga na ni atia say no wanye gidie wo yemu de. No, with Afenyo Markin they will not do. Enti ye chi win to me o make kotena form. But ye chi hanana obi enko. That's it. You ko invite win to me. So mo ko ye demonstration kotena form. Ye chi hanana obi ko ye.
Buffer stock.
Obi enko. Nobody, no MBB man will get to demonstrate. And you don't want to do the chance or you're not now.
Family,
I say, Sunny a chen who be a unkaya. And when you know, would I look at the people watching or more or yet the demo, ain't no much more because of Afenyo Markin. Oh, Afenyo Markin leadership, they say I'm good MPP, our parliamentar, a Bekaka.
But I say, Charles McCarthy.
Mfa kwanya zamza njeti fubi na me mind this fu hu se maza opposition e den opposition ya because of NPP fu ni pa miensen na no mugina o press conference obi automatic obi afon wo hwe Ahmed Shaibu na se obekọ barber shop kwa ko yi timpo e den ni chese what deform me otimaze opposition nansia o na no ti afanyo to fu obi ampo obi amfa uwia no bunzo sahini sa atma wo renko fofre wa na ofa na what must say? Get end this for no shanko for attend what must say? Now they know all kind of means when this all collection Afenyo Kasa all collection imuti tigidi say na se Bawumia win election Ken Agyapong crofo nyina ya ndc for se Ken Agyapong win election Bawumia crofo nyina ya ndc for what must say? And the one NPP net medru we sure send this now respect to Omuna. Also when this many fear this and this called presidential election. Yeah, it medru way. Apart from Papa Bia Nagrin or Nagrin be and go Fali or Mama and Fali. So Kasa Papa Bino. No the media finity. What must say? Apart from one. Now we move to not legal police station. Not a crown orgy. Yeah, on the day home, but party in Pangade and Phenom come election. Everything. I remember an accredited time, Crampa, still no so a component, no peace when we went to your papa and my party in Ukraine near. But I shall not do more if you own. Yeah, and when you want who are dear over cancer idea we. To say Sabium Sabia Yado, and this it is a shall this in Penny for now. Omoka party, Muga. For when it to forms of ahoy, aimu to over to be quachemo, Kwabena Ahoy, Ato Ahoy, and this is good, you know. A dinner in a meeting board drona. One was a more collection, one was a big baby Uganda. She majority leader or parliamentary. Would have a majority near the descendants or minority or she send leaders who also or more camp, or mini camp. ban NPP coalition Afenyo Markin na Ogyamfi wa kasa we Bawumia wɔn kese panimu bia obabi owo and none of person other stations na empanimfo mu NPP mu nyina obi at station obi campaign ko the other side we wia no obusa ho senti say party no why na betima tra fi ahye party no why na betima tra atian obi aka chense ade amoye no enye ana yenyesa obi ani obi mu NDC a jump panimfo ne buamu toto niema yenti asem si etimi ka because panimfo no so mu alane omo with obi da bi omo the other side and no na ma difference no NPP ni NDC se no ba we no omo ko no de metima ka chew se bi mu NPP panimu bia ni obi obia obabi onam etuntimi ntia kola untimi ntia obia na executive say di atabu ya de e ka semanya consultancy chairman ya de regional chairman ya de on ka sempo obia ntimi nka bibi muga wata say enti sa niema we na so timi tan no se fie wo no yempanifo ne tutu niema yi ti kwa be ne befa so yempanifo metima tutu niema yi eno ena eso sahin otimi hu no ne mpanimfo no no ankasa no so odi Bawumia chi no obejai se de be obenya obuo one na pamfo no mudi achi no mu nyina mo ko one side obi ka se netia Bawumia ni friend ne discipline committee so on face obi ka se netia the other candidate dia and the normal what must say hwe time abronya started d Kennedy Agyapong atem ni nyina ewe ba hwe na no pro from pro boate ko kan asem ni 2-3 days as on face committee about papu ko kan bi yes ya suspend no wo the other side they want to be nkasa ba wo this side e correct na po your party be the party na koso and if your party new panifo no ba ndisi on panifo mo tia enkrofo na ndisi de man ye dem poni say election so mbekoi me de nipa ba mienu bi ne bi amato anu poni say bibi ka yes ebi mpo na amaso mpo because system we dey flow na anhwe abo no park na so na be bo no because anhwe park na so because muga me kama che say me adwumawura matese adwumawura se wopeso kobi fine gentleman yes Julius Zebra we fine gentleman
yeah also ati
san yeah yes san Martin atesem we say Greek minister fine gentleman open na we bia no wontu mo erikopeku matese se onu so pebi fine what man say and then na nsani adamati say national chairman so yes the same thing on so nya on so be lazy issue no akobi omunye fine correct ba wonti so omu ye niema bi enema phone to say we but when you good ning na chi na ametima ka kire wo said ye na kona ye nimu say we die ai da bi on ye ne kona otibi chi nam no de so far as this constitution e kwa da ho a ye na window no ye timi wura mu pia bonda ai muga metima ka kire so ndisi fo bia amfa ne wentuo obi amfa ne butu ntuo for now ne tutu niema ne ye na say ye wie na say mampani otisi wetima ko tete ma bebo amene obi a bebe bia pani anu awie Ghana na eko sei jomama eko bie mu anka ne ha ne sei senye greed ne bia we nipa boni ni na nko ha pe we greed a se wo pe position nka dia dai se wetima ko ne constitution da ho we referendum the whole Ghana beto amanabro original election so wo ko pal a we ko test wo Supreme Court ni ade we simple interpretation be check mu kama so wetima ko because wan ko anto aso na ntisenye bayifo na bia wo ya wo pe ne position dia dai amam we wa hyehyɛ nfefefe we are sure so ba betu hyehyɛ nsana dwomama mamu me ka kyerɛ ndisi ni bia obi ayanto boase mu ye good mu ntomobo tetem no de ahwɛ yebekɔ de ekwepa de bɛkɔ because me hwefu na ene akola kwat me fill tank obi ka so be fill tank mo ka kyerɛ forget it because for ska almost 300 na yema ayimuga ti de make an say we mu kura fie won metima ye ene omo ameba omudi nipa me yensen obi anu NPP candidate bia betimi no ba de de omumpo no ye se omo so bia amfa ne butu nye de enwo nentia Afenyo osai no ka bibia no we ni enu de memfa aye waso east issue kakra bi mfam wonu se na me bai
enwe we na
o se
ti enwe we no se ba bia wo na chief justice so
chief justice o
Afenyo
me de onza ye waso de no hot we bi ba kwaisu ni ma ho na ye mapa me hu ye ne mani age wo hwe mo so ye mo channel some convert on so enti no to ne kofo kofale na wo hwe ayi uma no maame no ayi no okuranfo no hajia amina chale wo hwe nkrofo do magu kwa no so na wutie ye du on ne chase on ze de pasem ye pake busa nkrofo kakra obi abebusa na sem bia maame na no mboni din senke menya ene nkan disi fo beti ase a ka hu nya so ombeko we contest o me beko contest mpo because me say they say o mampani any and this impany for no why am appoint obi a appointment obi anfa na appointment to asare match ya chase obi because ya man for appointment obi minister me ambodi di haja aminai minister no so a board member also ya man obi an for appointment wo ya se bi no ambassador Nigeria ni Cote d'Ivoire ni ade obi an fan to na me pod kakra na ha me say akwatia fo nkwatia ne ni ma fo nye ni ma djuma eno pe na me ka kire nkrofo bi won nansia na kwato akwatia ba election na akwatia fo mo anko bi e de ne ni ma ba election ba mo se mo ko ni ma de ade we kura me djun ho me ntia se muga ade no why di me asema me kai obi tifie ni emu ya election de wo ko na unya candidate wetu winner there's no need so be ano ma papa yi ni kru na nyuma pa na wo pe ayawaso 4 na ayawaso NDC candidate na I can assure you the best bet sa papa you better than omunyina obi ohwem krofo ayawaso west east central and north ni nyina candidate bia ni won ma ebi wo omunyina parliament e me the 4 ni nyina wo NDC this is the best one obi a ohwe ni pa obi a no ni pa correct about 4 o'clock 3 o'clock no ten office wo kwa no otua sa no wo ko no otua maami eni ni kru na etua omotua hwe ni ma ni ya ma ne papa ni nyanko pa to ni nsa frɛ no ade ne yesa he ho si ekofo obi aba akwatia fo nkwatia na ya wasofo nya ya wasofo adwuma eno beboa wotima se ena eyam nyanya ese greedy we mu kakra me say amamru we ye bunu ena me ka chom chief of staff no ya nche ne 11 appointment wonya ne 11 wonya odi ani wawie wonya odi ani wawie wotima se so at the end of the day obi ayam appointment na wa kontom na obi muntra kontom manager kontom maye na kontom ntimi nkoso kontom enya appointment ketwa wotima se wo sa mutu mi kafia kontom be contest ni ma dey asem we kojo abo apene betima ka wo NDC ni abeka be award on you but I will say it and say it again someone can tell nabo baba jama so onyai ko no one time for Nigeria
make your point
oh that matters and make me point but make obi beka one wa kontom as ambassador one ko Nigeria one ko ye adwuma no maye woni mo adwuma we lawyer ya mo appointment Nigeria kokko ye adwuma Nigeria so what there
si wo kwan so be contest
si wo kwan
delegates na be
NDC ndi ye cheche no mako na be ya betima ye adwuma ni o man pani wo de wototo mrantie no eno na ama ne economy ne fa ni se bum enti wo to 11 no boy 11 wo hu ya na nam 3 wo be de ho wo be ye ko create parity against team no wo ba be there 3 ho ja 11 ni twa crossing blame na nkofo ha de enu ne pese e continue the Americans ayawaso east ayawaso east for abawe there's no need maame no obia me the minister and my nom e da Ghana obia kru wa na yire na efa ayawaso west Agyarko wu ye leader na fa ye wo kai papa na NDC ala ye on of fire yeah NDC ni bi so we were north
shall so
the same no me da ho e man so ba na man no mo ba nyina no e maame we
infantiman
yeah infant the same thing maame we and me am leader last and ma mo hwe constituency ya no odin leader last obi habo ni din kasem the same maame we ye me se maame we de wo hwe nipa no no hwe nipa che ni ku wo hwe nipa che ni ku ene ne papa ni wono so you am hwe nipa me giram na me hold nkrofo na me pese on be mix every party no bukade be na de se de na efese ayawaso is we ni nkasa bebiru hu hia wo kwa enu an bebe maame ne da bia mo fancy so ono no mo fama
Muslim background
oh the Muslims a typical one and one thing
Hajj board member
thank you what am I say yo mudu beka ho person the Muslim dia no mo fa e man tan no sa stage no it will do this in pempenso na chese waya ade ai Muslim someone was so much when the muyi ene na kokosho nti ade ne ya ho ne yakọ election ama obi akọ di obi atom bi akọ ka bibi enwunya there's no need ukwa ba bi edim betu bia hajamina muntuma no fefe ne enko.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.